Hello everybody. So welcome back to my channels. Today we are going to we are going to deploy application using Terraform. By the Terraform we will create the infrastructure on the AWS cloud. Okay. So without wasting time, let's get started. I will show you with the practically each and everything, guys. If you have any doubts, just do let me know and do comment in the comment box. Okay. So I will reply personally. Okay, so let me create instances, guys. Actually I already created, but okay, so let me start from the scratch. Okay, yeah, so let me launch a new instance. We will name as a Terraform only, Terraform machine. Okay, guys, I hope you all are aware about of it, right? Like how do we create the instance. So I'm not again going with the latest version if you want to. Okay, yeah, right. Let me select the key pair, guys. I have already existing one, so I'm using existing one. If you don't have, just click on this create new pair, key pair, right? So you will get a new one and allow all HTTP requests and launch the instance. Okay, view all instance. So you will see here we have create an instance named as a Terraform machine, right? So let me connect with the machine. Click on connect and again click on connect. Okay, and let me log in. Let me log in as a root user, sudo. Okay, yeah, let me clear the console. Okay, so now since it is a Terraform machine, so we have to install first Terraform, right? So for that we will go to the officially website, officially documentation of Terraform. Okay, so that I've already actually opened. Okay, so if you are on the Mac machine, you will find out here the for Mac machine command, okay, to install the Terraform. If you are on Windows, so for that we have we have to install it, right? Since we are on a Linux Ubuntu machine, so let me copy all these three commands one by one. Okay, so let me first copy and execute this command. Okay, copy it and execute on. Okay, enter, and again we have a three commands, right? So we will copy one by one. Okay, and paste it here, and let me copy it last one as well. Okay, so guys, using the AND operator, see in this command it is used like AND operator, right? So using the AND operator we will run the multiple commands. Okay, yeah, so let it install it. Let's wait for a couple of, yeah, so it's done. So if you want to verify, we can verify like Terraform hyphen version, right? So it's giving the version name, right? It means the Terraform has been installed. Okay, so let me create a directory, fresh directory, so in order to avoid the confusion. Okay, we will, for example, we will give as a name as make directory. This command will create a new directory, my Terraform. Okay, my Terraform, right? And let me go inside this newly created directory, my Terraform. Okay, let me clear as well. Okay, so now using the Terraform we will create the infrastructure, right, on the on the AWS cloud. So for that we will create the file and that file, the file extension will be the Terraform, means TF. So first we have to create instance, right? So we'll give the name as a issue ec2 dot tf, right? Now, so if you don't know guys how do we created the ec2 instance, so we will use the Terraform documentation, official documentation. Okay, for that I'll show you. Go to on the registry. Okay, yeah, and browse provider, click on AWS. Okay, and click on the documentation. Okay, now yeah, so first we have to copy this provider. Okay, this will define the on which cloud, okay, we are going to create the infrastructure. So let me go to inside this file. For that we will press the I and paste it. Okay, so we will create this, we will change the region guys. So it's up to us, like in what region we have to create the instance, right? So I'm going with US East 1, that is North Virginia actually. Okay. East 1, and will for access key will create the access key as well. Okay, so for that we have to go to the we have to click on our name account. Okay, and then here we have to create a security credential. Click on the security credential. Okay, and just scroll down a little bit. You will see here this create access key, right? But I already have, so I will delete it first. So in order to avoid the confusion guys, click on action. We will delete this existing one, deactive, and we will paste here this. Oh shit, what is happening guys? Okay, and delete it, right? Yeah, so it's being deleted, right? So let me create new one. Click on create access key. Okay, I understood. Click on create access key. So you will see here guys, access key and secret access key. Okay, we'll copy the access key and paste it here in place of this access key value. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, let me copy the secret key as well. So copy. Okay, and okay, so guys, access key and secret key are nothing but like a user ID and password. Okay, for the time being just understand this manner. Okay, now see, we have like given the credential, right? And also we have given the cloud platform name. Like if you don't want to create an infrastructure on AWS, just in place of AWS here, just change the name here, like Azure and Oracle and so many are there, right? So yeah, so again we have to go to the Terraform official documentation. Okay, now here we have to search ec2. Okay, and scroll down, guys. So okay, so AWS instance, click on AWS instance. Okay, okay, scroll down. Okay, and yeah, so guys, copy these resources till here. Okay, resources and tag, right? As of now, copy it and paste it here, guys. Okay, yeah, so this tag name is nothing but the instance name, right? See, when we are creating the instance, so we had given this name, right? Terraform machine. So now we will give this name as a Docker machine. Okay, so we are using Docker to deploy our application. So Docker machine. Okay, Docker machine, and here we will use the AMI machine, right? So for that we'll go here and click on EC2 machine. So launch instance. I'm just showing like from where we have to copy the AMI ID, right? So okay, let me just click on Ubuntu machine. You will see the AMI ID, right? Just copy this AMI ID, copy and just paste it here, guys, in place of this string. Okay, all okay, yeah. Now just come out from this file. To come out from this file, just click on escape button and colon escape colon wq. Okay, so if you want to verify like whether it is written or not, so just for that we have a command cat ec2. Okay, so you can see here, right? We have given this Docker machine name, tag name as a, and we have changed, okay, blah blah. And so to now then I have to initialize this Terraform, right? So to initialize we have a command Terraform init. This will initialize our Terraform, right? Okay guys, so it's being like initialize the Terraform. Now we have to run this script, right, that we have created. Okay, so for that we have a command Terraform, sorry guys, Terraform apply hyphen auto approve. Okay guys, if we don't this give the last this hyphen auto approve, now what will happen? It will ask you in between, actually, while running this command, now it will ask you, so we have to type as a yes. So okay, to avoid this like little bit of interfere, so we have to give this auto approve. By name we can understand, right? while installing the any modules we will give the -y, right? Y means yes. Okay guys, so now if you go to our AWS dashboard, so you will see one machine which is being created, right? You will see the right Terraform machine, I mean Docker machine, right? We have created named as a Docker machine, right? Okay, now if we want to destroy this machine, how we can do that? So for that we have a command terraform destroy, right? So it will destroy all the resources which was creating early, right? Yeah, see, if you don't give the -y from auto approval, guys, we have to enter manually. Yes, let's wait for it. Let it let it destroy it. Okay, to verify, guys, we will go to the AWS dashboard again. So if you refresh it, you will find out your machine is terminating. See, terminated, right? If you want to see the time also, we can see the timings. See, 6:30, I mean 6 o'clock. Okay, so again we will modify this machine actually. So we'll go to this tf file. Okay, so I wanted to create this and T3 medium actually. T3 medium, T2 micro. What is this? Let me see. Let me check it. Okay, actually I just wanted to get this T2 medium machine, but it is already being created T3 medium. Okay, no issue. So T2 medium, right? And come out of this file, and again let me run this file. T2 auto approve, right? Now we'll go to the dashboard, instance dashboard. Okay, running instances. Okay, yeah, so it is running, and let me connect this machine as well. Okay, click on connect. Okay, Okay, let me log in as a root user. For that sudo su we clear the console also. Okay, typo here. Fine. Now, so guys, in order to deploy the application, we need Jenkins, right? So we have to install Jenkins in this machine. Okay, so for that, I'll show you the script. So guys, this is a script which I wrote actually. Okay, so to run this script, will install all the required packages and all the Jenkins module and JDK and all this. Okay, so to just copy this URL. Okay, and what we have to do, just we have to get and paste this copy your URL. Okay, and now enter. So you will see here the file name as well, right? Okay, so let me give the permission as well to run this jenkins.sh file. Okay, ls, you will see the green, right? To run this command, to run this file, we have to give // it's being running. It had installed. Okay, so guys, since we install here Jenkins, so Jenkins run on port number 8080. So we copy this public IP and run this. Okay, using 8080, it won't run. It's running. Okay, okay. Yeah, it is running actually. Why? Because we have when we were creating the instance machines, we have given this HTTP, right? Allow HTTP networks. Okay, so we have this password also. So let me copy this password here. Copy and paste it. Okay, so we will go with the self-set plugins. Okay, now let me log in. You can give any name. Which you can remember. Save and finish. Okay, start Jenkins. So guys, since I told you, right, we are working on Docker machine, using the Docker machine we are going to deploy an application. Okay, so we have to install Docker plugins. So for that, on Jenkins, so for that we have to go manage Jenkins, click on manage Jenkins and click on plugins. Okay, then click on available plugins and click on search your Docker. Okay, so install it. installing. Now on Docker machine we will install what? Docker. Okay, for that we will run this command sudo apt install docker.io -by. Okay, right. Now we will create a job. For that we'll click on new item. Okay, so we'll say the Docker project. Okay, pipeline, click on pipeline. Okay, now we will go to this pipeline. To the pipeline we will create the pipeline script from SCM. So SCM stands for source code management. That is nothing but the gate actually, and click on gate. Okay, so here we have to give the git repository URL, right? So we have already in the git repository URL, so we'll copy from here and copy this URL and paste it here. Okay, and so we haven't create their credentials, that's okay, and nothing else. Let me check the branch as well. Okay, master, it is master, right? So yeah, cool. So we'll go with all these default things. Okay, now save and yeah, apply. And so let me show you the Jenkins file here, okay, which is already there. Okay, so guys, here we have to give the repo name, repository URL. Okay, now we will edit here. Okay, so guys, we have written this pipeline file, right? And you will see here we have written so many steps which we need to perform, okay, while creating a pipeline. Okay, so our application will run on this port number 8091. Okay, now let me save it, comment the changes. Okay, now let me build it. Now build has been started. Let it start actually. You will, if you click on this, so you will see pipeline overview. You will see all these steps. See, checkout SCM has been happened, and check out the code from the GitHub, and compiling the code, and testing, qtester package. So what it is saying, run Docker file. Yeah guys, so the Docker file also completed and port exposes. So if you want, we can access in our application which we had deployed, right? So if you want to access this application, so let me copy the public IP of Docker machine. This is a Docker machine, this is a public IP of Docker machine. Okay, and access with 8091. Okay, which we have mentioned in the previous, right, about port number, right? I will show you. See, 8091. So 8091. See, now we can access our application. It's running, right? Yeah, so this is all I wanted to share with you guys. If you like it, just subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you. Thank you guys. Bye bye.